Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Rissica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. And if you can see all of the items behind me, I'm doing a huge Trader Joe's haul today. I picked up a lot of items, mostly like waters and mixers and things for the birthday party, but something you all have asked me for is I always say like what I like to use the items for, like the recipes, but I don't show you how to cook them or show you the finished product. So what I'm going to be doing in this vlog is I'm going to be unpacking all of this and showing you everything I purchased for $211 at Trader Joe's, but also throughout the week showing you the meals that I make, and I will list the meals that I make and the items I used in the description box below. So if you're going to Trader Joe's, you can put this to your list and make the easy meals that I make throughout the week, because that's where we're at this summer. I'm like grilling, easy, simple. That's what we want to do. So let's get started with unpacking all of these groceries and I will start cooking as well. Let's go. So fun fact, I do not drink any alcohol. I never have, but at my party I do want the alcohol and liquor to be flowing, so I got some basic mixers. So I picked up orange juice, pineapple juice, and orange peach mango for some mixers, and then I'm also going to do a little like lemonade station. So I got the fresh squeezed lemonade from Trader Joe's. This is like $3.49, so I thought this would be like a little more fresh tasting and cute, just to have like a water and lemonade little area, and then all of the liquor. But yeah, orange juice, pineapple juice, and orange peach mango juice for mixers. So next up are a couple sparkling waters. So I got, these are for David, sparkling raspberry lime and a sparkling blueberry lemonade flavor. So it's a water, there's 0 calories, there's no sugar, they're just kind of the essence of the fruit, but he really likes drinking these, so I scooped those up. And I also got some seltzer water. I got cranberry and lime juice and blood orange and orange juice. These, I think this one's 5 calories and then this one is 15 calories. Now these are good for obviously mixers, but we also like to drink them as well. It looks like they're organic too. So I did grab these for my party, and also David will probably end up drinking some of these as well. I also got this family of sparkling waters. I got lemon, lime, plain, pineapple, and mandarin orange. So I think basically the lemon, the lime, and the plain we're going to use for the party, and then the pineapple, mandarin orange I'll probably put in the refrigerator for David to drink this week. I also picked up cranberry juice cocktail for just like a cranberry and vodka. Again, like another mixer option for people at the party. I also grabbed some French Market sparkling lemonade. Now this is like my preferred drink, and the little bottles are super cute, so I grabbed these. This is what I'll be drinking at my party. These are not healthy for you. 12 fluid ounces are 130 calories, and there's sugar and all of that stuff in them. They're good. I can't quit it. I love lemonade. I didn't even think about this either. I almost threw that box away. I got Margarita Mixer, and then they also put my little grapefruit hand soap in this box here. So I also grabbed these hand soaps as well, because we're running out of hand soap upstairs and I think over here by the sink. So I scooped those up as well. Super cute. Margarita Mixer, gotta have it for a party. So I think that's all of the beverage. I'll be shocked if I find more beverages in these bags, but we'll see. So as you can see here, these are all of the food items that I got, and I'm gonna grab some of the items that need to go in the refrigerator super quickly so I can get those in and kind of start this video. But first thing, let's go through the refrigerated and frozen items, and let's do this. So the first item I'm going to show you is the Fruit Frenzy bars. This is raspberry, lemon, and strawberry. They're little fruit bar. There's 4 in the package, and they are vegan, so that's really awesome. Let's see the calorie count in these. 120 for 1 bar, but I thought this was a nice little summer sweet snack to have after dinner. I thought it was really cute. So the first thing I'm going to show you is these coconut marinated kebabs with chicken thigh meat. So I got 2 of these little packages, and I'm going to make those with the Mediterranean style salad kit. If you've watched my hauls before, I almost always pick these up at Trader Joe's, but I thought the kebabs with the Mediterranean style salad kit would be a nice, easy, quick dinner, putting the Kabobs on the grill. So I'll show you when I make that meal, but it's honestly super simple, a really quick, easy meal. So the other meal I'm going to be making this week is the Tikka pasta. I like to do a mix of boars and cheese, the garlic and fine herbs, a block of feta. I use tomatoes from my garden. I'm going to be using the Italian tortellini with pesto filling from Trader Joe's. I love this. I love to add a little bit of pesto when I make the Tikka pasta. It just makes it just a little bit nicer, smoother. It just adds more flavor. And then I also like to do chicken sausage. So I'm going to be doing the roasted garlic chicken sausage for me. And then I'm going to do the spicy jalapeno for David. And I also picked up some fresh basil. So I have here this organic basil plant that I'm going to be using for my Tikka pasta. Hopefully I can keep it alive for longer than like a couple days, because every time I just end up killing the basil plant. So hopefully I can keep this alive long enough to make Tikka pasta out of it. The other meal that I'm going to be showing you how I make is just like pita salad, I kind of call it. So what I do is I do whole wheat pita bread. I put that as the base. I saute these up. I add feta, the cucumber tzatziki dip. Super easy. Again, the Mediterranean feta cheese, a little red onion, and then I also put the wild baby arugula on the top. Again, like the quickest, easiest meal. You just saute up the meat and everything else is just cutting and placing, and it is really good. This is one of my favorite meals that I've been making recently from Trader Joe's, and I like to put the pita bread on the grill. It just makes this taste so delicious. I also picked up a few frozen items for David. I got this beef soup. Just again, like really quick for him to eat for lunch, because I eat really light for lunch. This only has 220 calories in it, so that's not bad at all. I got him the chicken tikka masala. This has 360 calories in it, so again, not a super bad lunch option for him. And then I got him the Carne Asada burritos. These are all frozen items. This one's a little steep. One burrito is 490 calories, but again, like nice items to keep in your freezer, ready to go when it's time for lunch, so you can just warm it up and be on your way. It's quite simple. So then I also picked up this vegan mac and cheese. My sister's friend is coming to my party and she's a vegan, so I want to make sure she has some options. So I'm picking up pretendies. They're basically fake chicken tenders for her for the party. And then I picked up this vegan mac that I can bake. I was just going to put some mozzarella style shreds on it. It's a cashew cheese alternative, so it is dairy free and vegan. So I'm going to put that on top and kind of bake it in the oven so she has a vegan option. I don't want her to go hungry, so I wanted to make sure that we had some vegan options for her, and I've heard good things about both of these items. Then as a lunch option for myself, I got the corn chowder. I really like corn chowder. This is 220 calories for 1 cup, so I'll eat this a couple times throughout the week as a lunch option. Just really quick, easy. You can warm it up and you're good to go. The last couple frozen options I got, I almost always pick up a vegetable fried rice. And then to pair with the vegetable fried rice, I got this honey walnut shrimp. I've actually never tried this before. It just looked different and good. This is also quite bad for you, so 2 servings per container, so it's 500 servings per container. Looks like you can put them in the oven or on the stove top, but again, like if you don't want to cook, these are super quick and just makes like an easy meal. So yeah, I will be trying these eventually. I don't know when. I just kind of keep them in the freezer for when I need something quick. Tomorrow for dinner, David's family is coming over, so I'm gonna put this lemon herb butter salmon on the grill. I'm gonna take the butter off and put it aside and grill the salmon, and then last minute put the butter on the top so it kind of melts over it. I also got baby broccoli to put on the grill, and then I'm also, this isn't anything groundbreaking, but I also grabbed some corn to put on the grill as well. So that'll be our dinner tomorrow, and I'll of course show you what I'm cooking up tomorrow, but that's basically it right there. Last few items that I purchased are kind of basic items already. I just told you about the tortellini, but But I got this Trader Joe's maple syrup. That's for the chicken and waffles for my party. I got a red onion. I got the sweet pull-apart Aloha rolls. So these are basically like your Hawaiian rolls. I like to do little, basically BLCs as I call them, bacon, lettuce, and cucumber sandwiches. I got this new item. This is the Carolina Gold barbecue flavored potato chips. Again, as a little snack, maybe with my BLCs. I also got ridge cut potato chips with sea salt to go with just some basically dip that I'm gonna make. I also have purchased Electric Buzz coffee cups and more coffee cups, just a medium roast, basic Trader Joe's. But those are all of the items in the haul, and then I'm gonna get to cooking and showing you what I make. All right, so for tonight's meal, this is really super easy. I'm just going to saute up these meat slices, and then basically I just chop up some cucumber and onion and sprinkle this tzatziki sauce and feta on top of the pita with the arugula here, and it makes like a little pita is what we're going to be having for dinner tonight. We're actually taking this over to my mom's house, so all I have to do is saute up the meat, chop up the cucumber and the red onion, and we'll take it over to mom's and assemble there. Tonight we are having the coconut kebabs and salad, so I just pulled it right off the grill. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. That last meal that you saw was the salmon that I got from Trader Joe's, and that was only $5 per each fillet, which was awesome. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for more Trader Joe's hauls, fashion, and travel. Bye everyone.